Welcome, it's Dawn with For Grace Creations, and I wanted to try something, and I thought, well, I'm gonna hit record because you never know if it'll work, and actually sometimes if something does not work, it's beneficial for me to show you because then you know, and you don't have to try it and make the mistakes. But first, we have our verse of the day. So it is Psalm 25, verse 4. Show me your ways, Lord. Teach me your paths. I'm going to set that over here where I can see it. Okay, what are we going to need today? Well, some sort of sandpapery nail files. Do I use these on my nails? Nope. I don't have enough nails. I chop them off as low as I can. And then magazine pages, any kind. And I think we'll try some different book pages as well. But with the magazine pages, I just ripped some out that had a little bit of solid color. And then we need some stamps. I'm going to try some on wood. And I'm going to try some of these real flat ones. So let's try this here. I don't know which way is easier to see it, but let's try this flat one first. Okay, I'm going to set this down on our surface. Lay this solid color over it. We'll try this first. And we're going to gently rub. And I'm holding the paper so it doesn't move. Oh, I had a sneaky suspicion this would work because of an accident that happened. Look, check that out. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. So let's try a stamp that is on a block over here with the same one. Oh, now don't push very hard because you'll make a hole in it. Yeah, I made holes. You see that? So let's try over here and maybe more gentle. There we go. Now it does not get all the little details, and I'm afraid of pressing any harder because I don't want to make those holes. But let's try this one. It does have a lot of detail, but it's flat. And we'll put it down here. I'm gonna try this bigger one. I don't know if there's any difference. I got these at the Dollar Tree. And we're just gently rubbing till that print comes up. Okay, well, not a lot of details showed up. Maybe try it. Well, let's try a different color. What was this? Jimmy Dean sausage. And I'll try the smaller one. Okay, I ripped the page already because I pressed too hard. But I didn't make too big of a rip. So these would be really fun to fussy cut and use in collages. I wonder if it would work on regular book page. Now this is a newer book. Let's try this because we know this worked on that other page. Oh, I'm getting red on there. Okay, so this book page is too thick. way too thick. It's making holes. Okay, so thick book page, no good. Let's try. This is fairly thin and old. I don't know. Let's see. No, I'm just rubbing holes in it. Okay, so that won't work. Well, what about... Oh, I love this page. Do I dare take a chance? We'll try it. I'll just press really lightly. Oh. No, it's not working. Okay, let's move to, let's see, something. What about this? This is a script. Let's see what that'll do on this magazine page. I think too much detail and too tiny. Okay, good to know. Let's try that. Okay. What? Let's try this word. The one that says joy. And we'll try it on this color. Oh, but you know what? It'll be backwards. Yeah, that, okay. So words are not gonna work. I wonder if this will work. Oh! I love it. How cool is that? Oh. And then, okay, what would you do with this, Dawn? Well, let's just take the edges off. Maybe here and here. And then, what do I have near me? I have this. So maybe some glue stick. Is that drying out? A little bit. Okay. So glue that here. And then, where is, aha, green and red? No, I want to do some pink. We can just rip this. And get some glue on the back of this. Oh, well, we'll do it this way. Okay. And then, do I have anything in here? Let's see. That doesn't really go. What's that? No. I don't know. There's not really anything in there either, is there? Let's see. How about, maybe there's something in here. Mushrooms. We have a little label. Maybe that's too small. Maybe something like that. No. Decisions, decisions. We don't need another flower. We need a butterfly, don't we? Let's see. A butterfly, and then what about... Oh my goodness. What about like that? Something like that. Okay. You know, instead of this, let's see if I can get this glue to flow today. It's gonna come out. Okay. Stick that down. And then this. And then we could grab our Distress Oxide and come around the edges. There we go. We have a simple journal spot to go into a tuck or a pocket. Shoot, we could turn this into a tuck or pocket. And then, ooh, I know. Let's grab, we could grab a page tab. No, that's too much. What about, would that color go with it? I think it's good. We'll give this a little bit on the edges. Do you have any other ideas as to what we could use these fun magazine pages for? I'd be interested to know. How simple is that? Okay. Very cute. Put the pin back. Woohoo! All right, so let's set this aside. And, okay, we know that one worked. What about another one? What about a stamp like this? And maybe, I've got these. Let's try this one first. Ooh, M&M's, yum. Okay, that one works. So I guess it's just a matter of figuring out how hard you need to push to make it work. So let's try a hummingbird up here. Oh, don't press too hard. And then go slow is another key, I guess, so that I don't make a hole. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, let's try a different color. I have a little purple here. Why don't we try, let's try this bird and see if we can get him on there. And I'll use this one this time. I think the key is make sure that the paper stays still too. Oh my goodness. How fun is that? Well, let's try again with our wood block stamp, but let me see if I can find a different one. What about these? Let's try, oh, here's a black. Let's try that. Whoa. Okay. Maybe there's too much detail in that little stamp. What about this one? This looks like jean material. Let's try that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you want to do this, run to a little free library or go to your actual city library and see if they have a free section. Ask neighbors, friends for their old magazines. That is how you can get them and not have to go spend money on magazines. I don't know. I don't really read magazines very often. I mean, maybe occasionally, but I do have, I found some at my local library. They had a pile. And so I thought, I'm going to pick them up and use them. I mean, they're free. Let's see about this bird. And we'll try him right up here. And then, oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. We gotta do another one of him. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you have any ideas as to what other things we could do with these once we have them like this. Isn't that adorable? I'm wondering though, I have regular sandpaper. I mean, I'm always about, don't go buy special supplies. Let's see if this sandpaper works. It is 120, so it's kind of a fine grit. Oh, what am I doing? I was gonna try it with this. I'm sorry. I was out working in the yard and it's freaking hot. My brain, I had to come in and play so I could cool down. It's triple digits today. A little too warm to be out doing volunteer yard work for others. I figured I'd go back later tonight. So that does work. Oh, so cute. All right. Well, I'm going to keep playing. And now you can play too. Thanks for being here, you guys. And I shall see you soon.